Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your headphones Edifier W830NB to the application. So firstly we should pairing the headphones with a phone, and to doing it, open Settings, go to Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android device. Also if you have Android, click Pair New Device, and after that click this power button on your right ear cup. So now we turn on it and then press and hold this Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode if the headphones don't want to enter pairing mode automatically. Now click on it at the device list and now hide the settings. Open the application. And as you can see, it finds it automatically. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.